What hardware can we do without? I don't think we really need that. Fixing up our sled here. Blew a slide rail end cap, so we're gonna fix her up with the handyman's secret weapon. We don't leave home without. So this is gonna be our slide rail end cap for the weekend. If I can get it on there. Good enough. I'm gonna find a bolt to keep the duct tape on. Oh boy. Jeez. Gerper, gerper, gerper. I don't know if that's gonna stay on, boys.
And mustard tiger?
Boy! It needs more. That's all that's protecting my track from blowing off. Is this thing? Okay, it's good. I got my shape now.
Just build it up now.
I just gotta build it up. We'll put her on.
Find a bolt to ram through the hole.
Yeah, that'll keep her on. Homemade. I don't know what happened. I just replaced them and I guess, I don't know, blew off. 20 bucks well spent. There we go. Now we're snowmobiling. Sure beats buying a new track.
That is mint.
I don't know what happened. I just replaced them. I guess one blew off or a bolt broke or I don't know. She's gone though.
No side cutters. Clean that up, eh? What
I'm gonna leave the tails on so I can see if they're still there or not.
Fair enough.
Yeah. I might even throw one more on there.
She's good.
She'll hold.
Good, good.
We had a loose part here. Fell out, lost her on the trail. So we ended up robbing some hardware somewhere else. So it doesn't quite reach the end of the nylock is the only thing, but
You need a washer or another, some kind of a spacer?
it sits in there nicely. No, it's just not at the end of the nylock is all. But it's in there, like it's solid. It's seated right. It just, I'm not sure how long, I'm not sure if it's gonna rattle out again. Might just have to stop.
And that's not a nylock.
No, it is, but the bolt's not quite it's like just barely not long enough to go through.
Oh, you don't got threads right through the end.
It's like right there, but I mean the stock hardware isn't nylocked anyway, but I'm just gonna get the bolt tighten up here. So far today we've done custom slide rail end cap, custom spindle bolt. That's not gonna fall out though.
No.
That's in there.
Is it?
I would tighten it up maybe like when we stop next, but
Okay.
I don't think it's fucking gold. You got another fucking bolt or screw on the other side.
Yeah, just riding and my gas tank flies off with me on it.
We can take that one next.
What about one of those bolts out of the fucking Mountain Addiction? They're short.
That might work. That probably work. You don't need. Yeah, you can get away with one of those.
Because they got a washer on the back side you can put on the front side of the
I
head.
need a washer on the front side.
Front side, because
Yeah.
they'll be smaller.
Okay, let's take one out.
Alright.
Like it would work in a pinch.
Is there anything on the deck that we can take off, or the trailer that's just like we can put it on when we get back?
Those carriage bolts aren't gonna work great.
Two.
I think you might be the best bet is off that Mountain Addiction kit. It's just gonna be a pain in the ass holding that nut on the back of this tank, so I try to. What hardware can we do without? I don't think we really need that.
Now I'm going to drop this nut and bolt in the snow here.
All right, we'll take out another one. Did you?
Yeah. I did. I dropped the washer, but it's right here.
This is some jerry rigging. That nut fit nice under that spindle though. It did. It seated up perfectly.
And that was an nylock.
Yeah. It's like it might be kind of in. It's close.
I think we should try and make town and hit the Napa, or I think we should just run her all weekend.
That's fine. That's not
fine.
going anywhere. Yeah. It's just gonna be a okay, that washer doesn't fit in the fucking. So what if I? Here, keep here.
I have to shit so bad.
Get the bolts or the nut on the back.
Ooh.
Without losing it under the gas tank.
set that in behind there.
Oh boy. Okay. 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 Nobody move. Careful. Okay.
We get a wrench on there. It's the other thing.
Yeah, it's not big enough to. Okay, we're threaded up. We might be able to jam a screwdriver in there. Have me a flathead screwdriver.
Flathead screwdriver. What do we got going on here?
Or something of the sorts. It's bigger than that.
Bigger than that, okay.
Yeah. Like number 3, a big one. Or something, I don't fucking know.
This one?
Sure, fuck it.
Spring puller?
Yeah. That should work. Now I'm gonna crack the gas tank. Yeah, this one will be a little big to finish it off. Yeah, that'll be good. Yep. Okay, now we're not gonna fucking kink the fuck out of that washer too much. Alright? You guys ready to try to go riding again?
I feel like almost the right fit.
It's close enough that it will get them through the weekend.
Yeah. You got it. It's good and tight, or
That's as tight as it's gonna get. I think that's gonna do our boys. Ready to try again?
Yep.
Yeah, I got to see the whole thing, and I'm sorry, but I knew it wasn't gonna make it.
Did you cringe a bit?
I did when it hit the tree.
Have a look.
Let's see what you did here.
I need a shock too. That's right ticked.
Got these parts at home?
Yep.
You got everything at home?